Wow. I mean, wow. 69 Chevelle, amazing LeMans blue, white stripes, no vinyl top, sitting on some chrome wheels, white interior, and it's got a 4-speed. It's got a big block under the hood, frame off restoration. The underfloors are painted the same gloss blue color. Go to volocars.com. That's where you can look at about 200 classic cars, all for sale, and that's where you'll find a price tag on each one of them, including this one, along with a monthly finance option as well. But for right now, join me. Let's go for a spin. Yeah, this thing's just a knockout to look at. You stand back and it's just like, this thing's killer. Anywhere you go, you're going to be turning heads. So it's got the SS hood like it should. It's all straight, looking real nice. Now the LeMans blue paint has little imperfections. If you're fussy, there's little imperfections, little divots, but it's got a really nice, shiny, glossy finish. Looking down the side of the car, it's absolutely straight. The fender's looking good. Doors lining up real nice. All smooth down here. Door fits real well. Shuts real nice. The roof is straight. The sail panels where it comes down here, no issues. All clean down here, all around. Clean. Even the bottom of the quarter panel, all nice. All looking real nice. Fitting really good. Beautiful metallic blue with a nice shiny clear coat finish. While we're back here, it looks like the tail lights, bumpers new, the SS cowbell tips, all this trim. The SS has the blacked out panel, kind of matches the black in the tail lights there. New rear glass, new molding around the glass. When I say new, at the time of restoration, there can't be more than a couple thousand miles on it since it's been done. It has the SS stripe. It's a decal. That's how they were back in 1969. It is the correct stripe. This side's looking just as good. All real nice. Right in through here. The doors fit real nice. Let's see how they open. Real nice. Door handle's got a little bit of wear, not much. It's shiny. The rubber seals have been replaced. Windshield was replaced. The chrome grills up here are new. The mirror looks new. American Racing wheels. I think they are 18-inch. Nice shiny chrome wheels. Now as the front comes around, the bumper's re-chrome, the grill, all that looks to be very good. So yeah, what a knockout of a car. Let's open it up, see the interior. All right, let's see what we got inside the trunk. Well, the bottom side of the trunk lid's painted real nice. New sticker, nice clean edges. Nice jam, painted up nice. Weather strip was replaced. So inside, all clean and tidy. Nice clean metal. Has a nice spatter finish. Has a mat. We do have a spare and a jack assembly. So that's a nice complete trunk compartment. And don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel. Click the bell icon so you're notified when a video is posted. We're putting test drives and videos of cars, showroom walkthroughs. So the door jambs are painted up nice. New weather strips. The latches look like they've been replaced, or at least the one over here on my side. Door panels, armrest, window cranks, those were replaced at the time of restoration. And we're looking at a nice dash. The instrument panel clean, the dash pad was replaced. It does have the factory gauges with the tachometer. And then over here they did update the heater control panel. It's vintage air. They're electric slides instead of the old cables that you had to push. Radio, just an AM radio stuck in there filling the hole. The metal is painted up nice. Kick panels are nice. Carpet's excellent. Looks like it fits real well. And then we have a new center console with the 4-speed shifter. Favorite part of the car? No, the colors are my favorite part. I forgot to mention the gauges under the dash. It has factory gauges, but a lot of people find these are just more accurate and reliable. So now the seats. Seats feel good, nice and firm. Nice white upholstery. Headrests were redone. This trim has been replaced. So the back seat also reupholstered. The side panels were re-dyed white. And then the headliner's in good shape. Dome light works. Visors were replaced. Mirror looks new. And then we got this beautiful real wood rim steering wheel. Looks really nice in here. All right, let's go see what we got under the hood. So this does have a test drive video too. You can look out for that. They just drove the car earlier today. This motor is labeled as a 427. It is actually a 396 motor, but it's a very healthy motor. It's got a great sound. Edelbrock aluminum intake, dual feed Holley carb. Has these nice cast aluminum tall valve covers. Has a set of coated Doug's headers. New wiper motor. Power brake booster and master look new. This is a reservoir for the hydraulic clutch. A vintage air and heat system. Now we just replaced the AC compressor. Each car goes through our shop for a full service, and the compressor was replaced. Upgraded aluminum radiator, new shroud, new fan. The top cover's new. The horns are new. We got power steering, now if I mentioned that. I didn't know what this was. This is an overflow for the radiator. You typically don't see it mounted back there, but it's a nice place for it. It's a nice overflow. I see an HEI distributor. So overall, very nice, clean engine compartment. Love those valve covers. Oh, and the whole engine bay is painted blue. Look up under the hood. It's painted real nice. It even has the hood insulation. And it's got a healthy cam, so there is a vacuum reservoir can behind the fender as well to store some vacuum for the power brakes. So anyway, let's check out the undercarriage. So the underside is really nice. They took the body off the frame. The underbody is clean metal. All the braces, the floors, all painted a glossy blue. And then they rebuilt the entire chassis at that time. Suspension up front, all the steering, all fresh, clean, painted. It's got box control arms in the back. The springs, the shocks still look fresh. Got a great sounding dual exhaust system with Flowmaster mufflers. Disc brakes in front, drum in back. Fuel system was replaced. Looking up at the motor, it's clean Chevy orange, high torque starter. Has a 4-speed with the hydraulic clutch. Restored drive shaft, goes back to a 12-bolt rear end. Just a nice looking undercarriage, sharp looking car. Go to volocars.com. That's where the salesman can answer your questions, including how to get this delivered to your door, how to get it financed. Thanks for watching.